In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all of your Google Photos. So, the first thing you want to do is to open your Google Photos app, and then go to your profile picture up here and select the option Google Account. It will take you to your Google account to select a few options. Now scroll to the left until you get to Data and Privacy. And what you want to do now is to scroll down until you get to the following option that says Data from apps and services you use. Then go to Apps and Services right here. Scroll a little bit to the left and click on More. Now you want to scroll down until you find the Photos option that appears here. Now what you want to do is to click on Download. Scroll a little bit down and select the products you want to export. In my case, I only have selected Google Photos. So I click here and then you press on Continue. And now you can select the destination, the frequency, and the file type and size. Keep in mind that exports larger than this size will be split into multiple files. Once you finish, click on Create Export. And now it says that your files are currently being prepared, and this process can take a long time, maybe hours or even days. Once it's completed, you will receive an email when your export is done. And that's it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more content like this.